Welcome to Spoon Feed, where today we're bringing you a mouth-watering recipe for Shrimp Scampi Linguine. If you're a seafood lover, get ready to dive into a flavor explosion that will make your taste buds do the cha-cha. Succulent shrimp, garlic-infused linguine, and a delectable buttery sauce are about to create a party in your mouth. So whether you're hosting a fancy dinner or just craving a luxurious meal to impress your cat, this recipe is perfect for any occasion. Join us as we take you step by step through the process of creating this irresistible seafood pasta. Now let's talk shrimp. We're going to prep about 2 pounds of extra large shrimp, and no, they don't need therapy. They're already deveined. So grab your shrimp and let's get peeling. But don't toss those shells away. They're like little flavored treasure chests waiting to be unleashed. We're going to keep them for later so they can work their magic in our dish. Shrimp Scampi is all about the wine. We're using white wine in this recipe, but don't go breaking the bank and splurging on the good stuff. Get a Chardonnay that won't send your wallet crying. We'll add about 1.5 cups of wine to a pot with our shrimp shells. It's time for the shells to take a little swim in wine. Let them simmer on low heat for about 10-15 minutes until they've infused every last drop of their flavor into the wine. While the wine is getting its shell infusion on, let's heat things up in a deep bottom stainless steel pan. Add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil and a teaspoon of butter. It's shrimp searing time. Place those shrimp in the pan, giving them enough space in between. Season them with salt and freshly ground black pepper, because even shrimp need a little spice in their life. Let those develop a nice sear on each side. They cook faster than you can say scampi, so it should take around 2 to 2.5 minutes. After about 2 to 2.5 minutes, it's time to flip him. These will take about another 1.5 minutes on the outside. After which, we will gently escort them out of the pan into a bowl and set them aside for now. Now let's get to our sauce. And no, I'm not talking about your dance moves after a few glasses of that leftover wine. We're keeping things in the same pan because we want all those delicious bits and pieces that will make our sauce sing like a soprano. Add another tablespoon of olive oil to the pan and let the sauciness begin. Sprinkle in half a teaspoon of chili flakes and throw in 3 cloves of crushed garlic. If you don't have a garlic press, fear not, just chop it up finely and give it a toss in the pan. No garlic shall be left behind. Saute the garlic until it becomes soft and fragrant, releasing its aromatic superpowers. Now it's time to introduce the star of the show, the wine that's been simmering on the side. But hold your shells, we don't want them crashing the party. Strain the wine through a sieve and let join the garlic on the dance floor. Allow them to simmer together, getting cozy and creating a symphony of flavors. Grab a spatula and gently scrape the bottom of the pan to release all those fond memories, the caramelized bits of goodness stuck to the pan. It's like giving the pan a little treatment, loosening up all the tasty remnants. Let it simmer for a minute, then it's time to zest things up. Grab a lemon and grate its zest like you're auditioning for a citrus talent show. Add that zesty goodness to the pan, followed by the juice of half a lemon. We're going to give this sauce a tangy twist that will make your taste buds do the salsa. Allow this to simmer for a couple of minutes and now brace yourself for the lusciousness that's about to happen. Grab 3 tablespoons of butter and let it melt its way into the sauce. It's like adding a velvet touch to our dish, creating a creamy dreamland for our taste buds. Stir that butter around gently, making it one with the sauce, like a harmonious culinary marriage. Do take a moment to savor the aroma wafting from the pan, the scent of garlic, wine, and butter doing the tango. It's a true symphony for the senses. Now give it a quick taste test and adjust the seasoning to your liking. Remember, you're the conductor of this flavorful orchestra, so make it sing to your preferences. A pinch of salt here, a sprinkle of black pepper there. Find your perfect harmony. Okay, it's time to bring our shrimp back into the spotlight. Give them a warm welcome as they join the sauce party. Mix them in, ensuring they're coated with that velvety goodness we just created. Let them mingle and dance in the sauce for a couple of minutes, letting all those flavors come together like a harmonious culinary choir. And now, let's transform this dish into a pasta extravaganza. Have some linguine that you've cooked a little less than al dente. We wanted to have that perfect bite. Add the linguine to the pan along with a cup of the pasta water you wisely set aside. The pasta water is like a magical elixir. It helps the pasta cook to perfection and also helps thicken our sauce, turning it into a rich and velvety symphony of flavors. Stir that pasta with the sauce, ensuring every strand of linguine gets a generous coating of that amazing sauce. Watch as the sauce thickens and clings to the pasta like a beautiful embrace of flavor. It's like a final dance move that brings everything together. The shrimp, the linguine and the sauce all in perfect culinary harmony. And voila, we've reached the grand finale. Sprinkle some freshly chopped parsley over the shrimp scampi linguine, adding a vibrant pop of color and a touch of freshness. It's like adding a bow tie to a tuxedo. Finally, it's time to indulge in the fruits of your culinary creation. Grab your fork, roll that linguine like a pro, making sure to catch a juicy shrimp in your bite. Close your eyes and let the flavors dance on your palate, taking you on a gastronomic journey to Flavor Town. We hope you enjoyed this deliciously entertaining recipe. If you had fun following along, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking and may your kitchen adventures be filled with laughter and delectable delights.